witch's hat or a treat or two. The PJ Masks know what to do. They're gonna save the day when they all shout bell. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Let's have some fun as we dance and sing. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Put your costumes on, let's rock the scene. Romeo's dressed up with flair. You can hear his laughter everywhere. He doesn't care that it isn't right. He's gonna take over Halloween tonight.
I'll repeat the song.
Shout bell. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Let's have some fun as we dance and sing. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Put your costumes on, let's rock the scene. Night ninja sneaking by. His ninjalinos are by his side. He's gonna cause trouble, but have no fear. Ooh, the PJ Masks are here. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Let's have some fun as we dance and sing. It's a PJ Masks Halloween.
It's finally Shocktober. Happy Halloween, Master Designers. Tonight we're gonna draw Michael Myers. One of the most favorite scary antagonists for the month of Shocktober.
There's a full moon in the sky. I see Luna flying by. Wonder
What would Halloween be
from you, a witch's hat or a treat or two. The PJ Masks
if it wasn't for him?
do. They're gonna save the day when they all shout bell. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Let's have some fun as we dance.
But what makes the man that we see today who he is?
Put your costumes on, let's rock the scene. Romeo's dressed up with flair.
Alexa, who is Michael Myers?
According to Wikipedia, Michael Myers is a fictional character from the Halloween series of slasher films. He first appears in 1978 in John Carpenter's Halloween as a young boy who murders his elder sister, Judith Myers. 15 years later, he returns home to Haddonfield, Illinois, to murder more teenagers.
Rock the scene.
Alright,
Night ninja
looks
sneaking
like we
by.
found out more about him.
His ninjalinos are by his side. He's gonna cause trouble, but have no fear. Ooh, the PJ Masks are here. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Let's have some fun as we dance and sing. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Put your costumes on, let's rock the scene. PJ Halloween.
Here's his claw, his hand.
There's a full moon in the sky. I see Luna flying by. Wonder what she'll take from you, a witch's hat or a treat or two. The PJ Masks know what to do. They're gonna save the day when they all shout bell. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Let's have some fun as we dance and sing. It's a PJ Masks Halloween. Put your costumes on, let's rock the scene.
And finished. That is how you draw Michael Myers.
You can hear his laughter everywhere.
I know it doesn't look like much.
That it isn't right. He's gonna take over Halloween tonight. The PJ Masks know
From what I've experienced so far,
save the day when they all shout bell.
all the movies involving Michael Myers has been growing and evolving by the minute, day by day, night by night. This guy won't stop. Trust me, Michael Myers is one of the strongest and one of my well, I saw that he came back on Halloween. My dad and I went to see this guy on the new movie Halloween Kills. There he is, everyone. That's how you draw Michael Myers. Please like and rock and subscribe to my channel. And check out which scary guy you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later. Oh, and happy Halloween. Shocktober. See you soon.